if you have little ones or pets at home and you need an option to protect them from maybe the stairs or a place that you don't want them to go, I have a baby gate for you to check out. This one we installed on this banister, but you can also install it flat on the walls. And one really great feature about it is that it has this movable piece here, which means you can install it above your trim without having to remove trim. So I think that's a really cool option. This expands up to 55 inches and is 35.5 inches tall. This also has an auto lock feature, and in order to use it, you just push this button and roll the dial up, and then it will be open for you to pull it over, line it up here, and drop it into place. Then this will auto lock after 30 seconds, but otherwise you can just push this down and immediately lock it so that it no longer slides out. This can be great for pets and for babies as well, and this is tested by the CPSC. So in order to open it back up, this just has a little slide, so you slide it forward and you just lift it up, and you'll want to unlock it to retract it. I'm going to show you how far out this actually comes, because like I said, it's 55 inches wide. So this is the full width of this here, and it also auto locks at the end. Another great feature about this is that when it's retracted, it doesn't take up any extra space, unlike these old-fashioned gates that are always there and always in the way. So if you're looking for a way to keep your kiddos or pets protected from the stairs, definitely check out this gate.
Here is a quick look at the install process. It has these wonderful adhesive pieces, so all you have to do is peel them, and then you can stick it and adjust it right exactly where you need it. Then just take the bracket off, and then you can use that to mark your holes and screw them in. And you'll do the same on the other side as well. Just mark the holes and screw them in. This really is a super easy install and a great quality baby gate.